friends, welcome to Dia's tutorial. In this video we are going to see about can physiotherapists use the prefix dr. So before going into the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe it and the video completely to get the full information regarding it. So as per the Indian government, physiotherapists cannot use the prefix dr. So we cannot use the word dr before our names. But in India, many of the physiotherapists are being recognized as physiotherapists. I'll show you some of the examples, okay? So this I have got from practo, which is used for online consultation and booking appointments. So can you see here, many of the physiotherapists have used the prefix dr in front of their names. So it is a yes, you can use the word dr in front of your names. But in some cases, for example, think I'm working in some hospital and they call me as a physical therapist, but not as doctor. In that case, I can't argue with them that you should call me as a doctor. No. See, for example, if a nurse have completed their doctorate in nursing, will you call them a doctor or a nurse? Call them as doctor, nurse, or somewhat like that, right? We may at least call as a head nurse. That's it. So yes, so for each profession it differs. So being physiotherapist, we are physiotherapist. Point is, we are physical therapists. We should accept our profession, and like our name itself indicate what we are, how we differ from the doctors. Okay, it will make the patients and normal peoples to understand what we are, what physical therapists do. So yes, we have to be proud that we are being called as physical therapist, also physiotherapist, anyway. Because in most of the rural places and all, they don't know still that they don't know what is physiotherapy and what we do, what is our role. So maybe our name being called as a physiotherapist will make them understand more. So this is my view. Okay, so physiotherapy is a emerging field in various sectors, and even if I don't use the word dr, my techniques, my manipulation should speak. Like for example, if I get a patient and I treat them very well and they appreciate me, that is the real feeling, that is a real proud moment, instead of having the word dr in front of my name or whatever. When people recognize you and they accept you, that is the best moment in your life maybe. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you would have got an idea about this, and so thank you for watching the video, and do like this video, share, like and subscribe to the tutorial.